Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're back here again at Petrie Island, and today we're playing with the Olympus 300mm f4. Now I've got this thing mounted on the Olympus EM1 Mark II. I would love to get my hands on the Olympus EM1 Mark III, but maybe eventually. Anyways, with the 5-axis image stabilization on the camera, combined with the image stabilization in the lens, you can handhold this thing no problem. Even shooting some video handheld with this thing, and this thing is so stable, it is ridiculous. This is, because it's micro four thirds, you automatically double the focal length, so a 300mm f4 is equal to a 600mm f4. I love this thing. Anyways, we're here at Petrie Island. Let's see what we can get with this thing. So just on a little side note, a little bit of a rant going on right now. Beautiful, peaceful nature. And then you get some assholes that come along and just screw it all up. These rubber gloves, plastic bottles, rubber gloves in the bushes here. What's wrong with people? Like, take your trash with you. Like, it's not that complicated. So one of the nice things about this lens camera setup is the 5-axis image stabilization is synced with the image stabilization in the lens. So you're talking 5.5 stops in the camera plus 2 stops on the lens. You're looking at 7.5 stops. Like, that's unheard of, right? Now, I've tried the Sony IBIS, and you know, it works pretty good. Nothing compared to this guy. I know Fuji and the X-T4 has the IBIS. I haven't got my hands on the X-T4 yet. The Canon is supposed to get IBIS in the R5 whenever that comes out. I know Panasonic has the IBIS as well. But in all the cameras I've played with, nothing beats the IBIS in this camera. Now I'll tell you right now, the camera is not the greatest in low light. Things start to get a little bit muddy. But if you're doing nature and wildlife photography, outdoor sports photography, and even indoor sports photography, for the size and weight and price point, nothing beats this camera. And especially if you match it with this 300 f4, this thing is ridiculous, man. I am absolutely in love with this kit. I've got a great blue heron over there. I'm going to show you. This is handheld. I am not stabilizing this on the computer. I'm not adding a warp stabilizer or anything like that. This is handheld. Now, for birding, for wildlife, this thing can't be beat. It is so nice and portable, easy to carry around. Image stabilization out the yin yang. The autofocus system is bang on, and that's why I'm in the process. Getting rid of all my Canon stuff, and I'm going to Olympus. This 300mm f4 from Olympus is definitely worth looking into. It's expensive, it's over $3,000. But if you look at like a Canon 600mm f4, you're paying at least double that. At least double that. So yeah. Now if you like these videos and you want to see more from me, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy shooting.